Right now, unseen invaders lurk around you. Germs, viruses, and parasites. Your immune system is your only defense against these malicious microscopic foes. Like a knight on the battlefield, your immune troops work tirelessly to detect and destroy anything that could compromise the security of your precious cells. But what if your knight grew tired and weak? The invaders seize this chance to breach your defenses, unleashing illness. Luckily, you can empower your brave protector with natural reinforcements. Top secret foods grant immunity power-ups. Welcome, agents. Today, we'll uncover the top foods to supercharge your secret weapon in the war against sickness, your immune system. Gear up as we decode nature's pharmacy of illness-annihilating ingredients. Let's begin. First up in our immune-boosting arsenal are fruits like juicy oranges, sweet blueberries, and tantalizing strawberries. These tasty fruits are power-packed with vitamin C to stimulate your white blood cells and set them on seek and destroy missions against germs and infections. And let's not forget about the tantalizing twosome, garlic and onions. When viruses attempt to attack your precious cells, garlic steps in, wielding its antimicrobial power to lay suppressing fire. Onions back it up with a barrage of antioxidants that hunt down cell-damaging free radicals and eliminate them on the spot. No invaders stand a chance against this dynamic duo guarding your immune system. Moving on, we have honey, nature's soothing sustenance. With antioxidant and anti-inflammatory abilities, honey provides a comforting shield against illness. It's there to pacify sore throats, ease coughs, and support your embattled forces, keeping your defenses standing tall. A daily spoonful of this sweet nectar ensures your immune system has the strength to fight the long battle to wellness. Next, power up your forces with the leafy green elite. Spinach, kale, broccoli. These warriors supply vast reserves of vitamins and minerals to optimize all aspects of your immune health. Keep your army functioning at peak performance by fueling up with these hardy vegetable troops. And when you thought we had finished our tour of immune-boosting foods, we have one last reinforcement team ready to join the battle, presenting the superfoods. These elite forces deliver uniquely and powerfully concentrated compounds to take your immune system to the next level. Turmeric, with its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, neutralizes damaging free radicals before they can weaken your defenses. Tiny chia seeds have massive amounts of antioxidants at the ready to protect your cells, and berries unleash hordes of antioxidants for broad-spectrum protection. With the addition of these elite superfoods, your immune system will now have an unstoppable defense force ready to take on any threat. Make sure to regularly recruit these nutritional reinforcements in your diet so your body and immune system can stay resilient and strong. Now, you may be wondering, if these foods offer such impressive immune-enhancing power, why aren't more people consuming them every day? Excellent question. While you are considering it, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful health and nutrition tips. Check out this next video for more educational and lifestyle choices. Thanks for watching.